brand new earbuds from the company Nothing. This is the more budget-friendly model in a very cool color. I'm going to unbox this, take a closer look, and show you what the Nothing Ear A is all about. Decade before you wreck it, what's up, my fellow geeks? Here we got the Nothing Ear A earbuds from the company Nothing. I know the whole name is kind of confusing, but these things look really cool. Nothing crushes it when it comes to design. Seems like that's going to be the case here. $100 for these new earbuds. They come in a couple of cool colors. These ones very, very bright. So I want to unbox this, show you what comes inside the box. We'll take a really close look at the buds and the charging case, and then I'll show you what the process looks like to connect these to the Nothing app on your phone. So let's get these things over to the table and get the Nothing Ear A unboxed. Here they are, the Nothing Ear A. New earbuds from the Nothing brand, and this is in the yellow color, which is very interesting, very bold. Comes in black, white, or yellow. Back of the box, just a bunch of kind of legal jargon and all that kind of stuff, model number, etc. But let's open this up and see what is inside the box of the brand new Nothing Ear A from Nothing. Simple pull tab opens the box up. On the side, we've got a tab on the inside here, so we'll pull that tab and it should slide the box right out. And there you go. The earbuds presented right away. You can see on the plastic here, looks like a QR code is on the front there. Let's pick this up and see exactly what that QR code is all about. Oh, so this is a QR code to get to the Nothing X app, which is the app that you use to control these headphones and pair the headphones. Probably don't need it. Probably just use Bluetooth if you want, but the app will give you a lot more control over noise cancellation and stuff. So deeper down in the box, we've got a couple of sleeves here. Oh, cool. We'll check that out in a second. And then we've got an instruction manual. Looks like another QR code on the front of this instruction manual for that Nothing X app. Again, if you're using these buds, you probably want to get that app because there is a lot of control in there. And I'll show you that in a second here. We'll pair it up and show you. Not much going on here in the manual, just a lot of words. We're not going to look at that right now. Let's see what's inside these little sleeves. And these look like different sized tips. I like the way they present this. The whole thing's presented really good, actually. But it's a nice kind of little piece of cardboard that holds onto it, shows you which ones are small, which ones are large. A lot of earbuds just kind of throw these in the box, so this is a nice little way to organize it and all that such. This is a USB-C cable, very normal, small, short USB-C cable, but this is for charging the charging case for the Nothing Ear A buds, and let's check those guys out. So we'll pick up this case. The case is interesting. I like the shape. It's unique. It kind of has these little like flattened edges. And let's peel the plastic off. Not much on the plastic here. Again, just telling you to scan that QR code. They really, really, really want you to scan that code, which you should. If you're going to use these headphones, you should. Let's open this up. Look at that. I don't know about the yellow. I don't know. What do you guys think? Throw that in the comments. Is this the color you'd pick? Black, white, or yellow? And that is bold. It looks sharp. I like the detail. It says Nothing here on the front of the case. This company's always so good about detail, and they do not seem to be skimping on details here. This case is kind of cool. Everything about this just feels cooler than every other set of earbuds that I own. Let's pop these out, and yeah, pretty cool. There's the case. See the little pogo plugs there for charging. You've got a red and white dot, so you put the right one and the left one in the right side. Those pogo plugs line up with the little contacts on the buds themselves, and that's how they charge back up here in the case. You've got a USB-C port on the back there for charging the case and charging the buds. Pretty simple case, but really cool looking case. Let's take a closer look at the buds themselves. Nothing Ear A. Again, it's just the attention to detail, and the design is just so slick, don't you think? It just looks cool. They pack a lot of tech in here, just like with Apple AirPods and things like that. There's so much circuitry going on inside, but it's really cool that we can actually see it. There's a battery in there somewhere, tiny little battery that apparently gets you 9 hours on a single charge, which is pretty impressive. If you use the charging case, they claim 42.5 total hours of listening time. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what all these circuits are are doing, but certainly a lot going on in there, especially when you talk about the fact that these have noise cancellation built in. It's got bass boost, Bluetooth, of course, all that kind of stuff. Quick pairing with the Google Pixel phones and Microsoft devices, Microsoft computers. The left bud and the right bud pretty much identical in terms of just orientation, going to be different here, but it looks like the circuitry is basically the same stuff. And these pop back into the case relatively easily. There's actually a magnet. See that? See how it kind of snapped back there in the case? Let me do the right one too and see if I can show you that. Okay, go in. That did not work as well as I expected. But there is a magnet. You can feel it, kind of sucks it back in and gets it right back into the right spot. Jumping to a fresh install of that Nothing X app, it's asking me if I want to allow notifications, which we will, and it says simply start. So we'll hit start, and it should jump right in here and start detecting this new set of earbuds. It, of course, is asking for permission to use Bluetooth, which I will also allow. You sort of have to, and now it's searching. Searching for the earbuds. I wonder if I have to open the case. I probably have to open the case. Let's pop open the case here and see if that is required. There we go. Yep, that was it. Case is open, and look at that. Not only does it detect the earbuds, of course, it detects which ones we have, and even the color, I think. I don't know. It's clearly they're yellow in the picture here, so I'm guessing it's detecting which color we have. That's cool. And it's essentially just pairing it up. I like how quickly it pairs. This is a Google thing, a Bluetooth thing, and then Nothing supports that same protocol with the Pixel. How cool is this app? Again, attention to detail. Thank you. It's very Apple-esque in a lot of ways, which is, sort of what Nothing's been doing with their designs, with their apps, with all of this. The whole experience just feels high-end and very cool. So now it's taking us through the controls. There's a pinch control mechanism that they use here. So a single pinch plays and pauses. Double pinch, you can skip forward, decline calls. Triple pinch, you can skip backwards. So that'll take some getting used to. Pinch and hold is for noise control, for the active noise cancellation. And there you go. You've got your firmware. Should we do it? Should I hit update? Let's see. Okay, make sure the buds are charged. Of course they are. Place them in the case. Don't close the case. We'll do this later. You'll do this later. It looks like just a bug fixes is what this is, but we'll do the software update later. Okay, back out to the main screen here, and I want to take a look at the different options you have here in the app. This is the equalizer section where you can change the sound. Do you want more bass, more treble, more voice? You can customize it as well. And this is pretty basic stuff for most earbuds that have their own app. They're going to give you some control over the equalizer settings. And so let's go into, looks like controls. What is in controls? Those are the battery levels, of course. What's inside controls? Let's pop into there. And so this is changing what those pinch controls do. Double pinch, triple pinch, pinch and hold, double pinch and hold. You can change what you want each one of them to do. It looks like single pinch is the only one you can't change, which is the play, pause, or answer and hang up calls. Makes sense that they wouldn't let you change that. What else do we have? Noise control for the active noise cancellations. You've got off, transparency, and then noise cancellation mode, which is pretty cool. And it's nice that these have, especially at this price point of $100, they have noise cancellation built in. They've got a bass enhance feature, which you can turn on and off, and then once it's on, you can adjust levels between 1 and 5 just to kind of amplify that bass, which is also cool. And there you go. I mean, that's pretty much the app in a nutshell. And these are pretty much the Nothing Ear A headphones in a nutshell. Comment below. I want to know what you think. Do you like the yellow? Would you go for black or white? Are these what you expected? I read every single comment. I comment back on almost everything. I love the discussion, and I want to know what you guys think. Also, subscribe to the channel because I've got an unboxing of the Nothing earbuds. That's the other new higher-end earbuds, $150 from Nothing. So it's coming up on the channel. Reviews, tech unboxings, all kinds of geeky stuff, always here on Tech It Before You Wreck It. I'm Kirk.